Hello, guys. How are you today? I hope you have a wonderful holiday at home, chilling with your babies. I'm off. I was off today, so we're here with my little Angie. We're gonna give her a change. She been here. She been wearing this. I'm sorry, guys. I'm like kind of messed up. My head's kind of messed up today. Um, She been in this outfit for a couple of days now, since the thread Thursday. That was a very late thread Thursday because I didn't have the time. I was working all day that day, so I didn't have the time to, do it earlier. But well, we're here. We're gonna give her a change. I don't know if you are able to listen to this. Well, not that. That's a plane, but it's very cold here right now. If you go outside, it's like really cold. You have to wear a sweater and a jacket. And today's been really cold and like very, very, very windy, guys. Like very windy. Like I went to do my laundry and guys, I get back home with all my hair all messed up, like a witch, like poof, like my hair explode, all like that. But yeah, we're here with Angie, and we're gonna just change her. I believe she don't have any onesie underneath this outfit, so we're gonna give her a onesie underneath the outfit. Do you hear that, guys? That's the wind. It's so windy all day. It's been so windy, and I have my windows closed, and even like that, you can listen to it. Well, we're gonna put her these pajamas because she's going to sleep. It's a Carter's 3 months, and it's like a pink coral with flowers, with red flowers, and what is supposed to be green from the green part the flowers has. This one has it in a navy blue, and it has orange flowers also, orange and red. I hope you can see it right there. And then it has 3 little tiny bows up here, and it has snaps all over. I love this one. I love this fabric. It's like a waffle fabric, like simulating like waffle texture. It's so cute. I really like this. She haven't wear it. None of them have wear them. And then we have, oh, I have to get, well, maybe I can use these white socks. These are very comfy. And then we have, to match the flowers of the pajamas, we have a red flower for a headband, and we have this cute pacifier. She takes a full pacifier. This cute pacifier that I got in one of the Marisol's dolls prize. I got a few prizes from the gathering. So like diapers, pacifier, I got a lot of cute little things that I love to wear, with my dolls. So, oh, I got this blanket, this beautiful blanket. I got it also as a prize in the gathering. I think this is so delicate and cute. I love it. So we're gonna change my little Angie. Let's give her a change, cause she been wearing this a couple of days now, since Thursday. Thursday? Today's Monday. Yeah. So we're gonna give her a change. I was gonna bath her the other day for a video, but then I didn't have the time, so I didn't bath her. I just wiped her off, like put some powder in her, because I don't want to be washing her more than once a month if it's necessary. Like she has a very good sealing that is like similar to texture, to skin texture. So she doesn't need like very much baths since I powder her like at least once a week. So it's not a need. I just wanted to bath her for you know, to do a video, but then I didn't have the time that day, so I didn't do it. I hope I can do it next week maybe. I've been struggling to take them out in an outing, because I always have something to do, so that's why I haven't done an outing with none of them. Because every time I want to go, I want to take them, then I have to go like to the laundry, to the grocery shopping, and like that kind of stuff, or maybe working or whatever. Like, yeah, I've been so busy lately that I haven't had time to make a 10 minutes video. Been so busy, and then I get home late, and then I have to work very early the next day, and then I get home so late again. And then if the next day I'm off in the morning, then I am like, you know, like sleeping all day, like until 11, until 1 p.m. is like crazy, because sometimes I get home like around 2 in the morning, and then I have to shower, I have to get my clothes for the next day for work, and then, you know, it's like, oh my goodness, so much. Yeah, I've been doing so much lately, but well, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. If I have to, if I want to get more dolls, I have to work. So I have to pay rent. I have to do grocery shopping, you know, that kind of stuff. Everybody has to do that. So it's not like, yeah. But what, we're going to powder her just a little bit, because it's easier for me. I feel like it's easier for me when she is powdered. It's easier for me to dress her, to get her dressed, you know, like, and, you know, taking care of her painting and sealing, you know. So my little baby is gonna get I probably gonna do a video with Angie. I wanted to do a couple of ones because I work tomorrow all day shifts, but I want to do a video for tomorrow so you have something to watch, you know, like, yeah, give something to my subscribers to still, you know, interested in my channel. Something like that. Yeah, guys, thank you so much. I've been having a few more subscribers lately last week, so I really appreciate you guys here. Been watching my videos, commenting, you know, like, thank you so much for the love and all the support, and, you know, like, helping me growing my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. And we are like 303 subscribers, 307, something like that. I think it was the last time that I checked, we were 303, something like that. I haven't checked since that, so I think we like that amount or around-ish. But yeah, so yeah, guys, it's getting really cold over here. It's like, oh my god. You know what? I've been watching some videos in my break hours, and it's like, bro, what's going on with the reborn community? I don't even want to be part of the reborn community anymore. I'm just like a doll collector. That's it. I'm not a part of reborn. I'm not even tagging my videos or shorts with reborns anymore, because oh my goodness, there's so much drama there. I am just a doll collector, a person who just love dolls in general. Like, well, like, not in general. I prefer baby dolls. You know, like, I know there's a lot of kind of different dolls already out there, but I love baby dolls. Those are my favorite ones. You know, I admire the other kinds. They are really cute. They are really precious. I've seen some other collectors that have a very, very extensive, I mean, you know, very big collections, and expensive ones, very expensive ones. And you know, like, well, that's what they like. That's what they want to do with their money. But it's like, I like, I prefer the baby dolls. I like the, like, especially if they're silicone. I really love them. And now I'm more into like partial silicone. Like, Angie is full silicone, but I feel like she's too, I don't know if stiff is the word. I'm not 100% sure. I'll Google it later. But I feel like when they have cloth body, they have more mobility from here, like more natural mobility from here. So I prefer those right now. Like, I love, love, love Jade's mobility. Like, she has, like, when you hold her, it feels more like a real baby. The feeling is like, oh, so distressed. But yeah, guys, there's been so much drama in the community that I don't really want to get deep about it, because I don't understand much of the problem that is going on. First of all, and second of all, I don't like drama, not even in my own life, like my private life. You know, it's like, if I'm gonna have drama, I just run out of it. Like, no. If a person want to cause a drama in my life, it's like a no. Get out of my way. Get out of my life. No, no drama. Come on. Come on. We're not childs anymore. But well, yeah. I just don't like all the drama that is going on in the community. So I just call myself, I'm just a doll collector. Baby dolls. That's it. I'm not reborning. I'm not like, you know, I'm not into that thing that it have to be an artist. It have no. I would like to have, you know, some of them. Like, Angie is just what they call a counterfeit. To me, she's just my baby. I don't care. Don't give a fuck about it. But you know, it's not like they not like I'm worried about it, but I just don't like all that drama that is going on in social media, especially here in YouTube. I'm just a doll collector. I'm just a person who love my babies because they are my babies. Nobody else have to, you know, like, but I know that they call it counterfeits and all other another words to me. She's just a copy of another vinyl doll. She never get to be a silicone. So if someday she got to be you know, a real sculpt, I would like to have one, because I love, 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 love this sculpt. So yeah, guys, I'm just a doll collector. You know, I don't know much about the reborning thing. I don't know much. I just have watched, I'm new in this hobby. I've just watched some other person's videos, you know, like, no, I'm not, I don't want to be involved in that. But you know, I get to see it if I follow people that is, you know, involved in all that drama. But I don't want to get into it. No, I'm just a doll collector, and that's it. I don't have any problem if I find any copy that I like, because I don't call them counterfeits. I don't think that's a good word, not even for a doll, you know, like I feel like that feels more illegal stuff. So she's just a copy. And I do have JD's a real sculpt, like an authentic one. But I don't see any difference between them. They, to me, is this, you know, I love them the same. They're my sweet hearts. They're my sweetie pies. And that's all what I see. So I don't, you know, I just don't want to be involved in all that drama. I already have enough going on in my life to be involved in drama. So just wanted to say that I'm like about the whole entire thing. So with that already said, let's put her the little flower to my little one. Oh, look at her. Look at my little Angie. Look at how sweet she looks. Uh-oh. Okay. And let's... Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Can you hear this, guys? Oh my God, it's so windy outside. I can't even imagine how cold it should be outside now. It was cold this evening. Like, I went to the laundry around here around like 3 or 4, I don't remember. And it was really cold and really windy, but can you listen to that? Oh my God. It's so windy outside. I really like this pacifier, guys. I really, really like it because it comes with a lid. You know, like for real babies, it's really cute because it's not gonna get contaminated. I really, really like this. I have 3 red, same color with a lid. I got 3 different prices with the same passy. But they are really cute, really, really cute. And that one, let me see. I never tried this kind of pacifier on her, but I believe she can get it. Oh no, I think it's too big. Oh yeah, she got it. Oh, she got it, mommies. There. Oh, it's gonna be weird. Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought she was not gonna take it first of all because it's. There you go. Cause there. Oh my God. I think I have to put some more in her mouth because I haven't been putting pacifier in her mouth in a while, so must be really dry in there. Okay, there we go. And that's all for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my little Angie getting ready because it's really cold here, and then I want her to get ready for bed. Isn't she so adorable? Yeah, she is so cute, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me get her a little lovey. Let's get her the one that Auntie Angel gave her. I think she looks so cute with this little star. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful night. If it's windy, enjoy your windy night in the comfort of your home. like I'm doing right here. I hope you guys had a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week. And bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.